Hey guys, in this video we are going to deploy our blog application to Vercel. Now Vercel is the organization that has developed Nextjs and also SWR. You can deploy your application for free here. You don't need to pay anything if your account is on hobby. So we are going to deploy our application here. But first I will go to my GitHub repository. So this is the repository of our application. I have pushed all of my lesson branches to this repository. Check them out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to merge the last lesson, which is the lesson 6, where we have built the view counter for our application. So I'm just going to do a pull request to merge with our main branch. Okay, able to merge, create pull request. Okay, so now merge pull request, confirm merge. Okay, so our lesson 6 branch has been merged to main branch. We have all of our updated code. That's fine. So let's go to our Vercel, and if you don't have any account, just create one and you will be redirected to the dashboard. Then click on new project. Now in here I'm not seeing my QSBlog YT repository because Vercel don't have permission to add that. So what you need to do, you need to search for anything. So it says no results found, so just click on configure GitHub app. Now it will ask you for authorization. Give your password. Now here Vercel want to have access to your GitHub repositories. You can give access to all repositories, but I would recommend to only selected repositories. Now here you can select your repository. Just search for your repository. This time is qs-blog YT. Okay, this one. And just hit save. Okay, now we should see our repository. So here it is, qs-blog YT. So I will import that. Now it will ask you to create a team. I don't want to. Now configure project name, okay, framework Nextjs, root directory is the root, build and output settings. Okay, and our environment variable, we have to give our MongoDB connection string. So Mongo URI is our variable name, and this is our connection string. Just click on add. Now click on deploy, and Vercel will start deploying our application. Okay, it has started deploying. Alright, our application has been deployed successfully. You can also see the preview here. So let's just click on it. Okay, so let's visit our application. Okay, so this is our application. I can click on it. So this is our blog page. This is our iframe, code blocks, absolute import, everything is working fine. Let's go to search page. Let's see if I can search something. ESLint. Okay, I have also my search result. So everything is working fine. And that's it for the video series. And if you have been following along with the video series, I really appreciate that. In the next video, I'm about to do a Redux-tookit crash course. And Redux-tookit is just a tool or package, whatever you say. With that, you can set up your Redux application so much easily. And we're going to learn Redux-tookit by building a simple to-do application. You can view the demo application by going to this link. I will put the link also in the description. In this application, you can add a simple to-do. You can also delete to-do. You can add to-do asynchronously. Like this. It will show you loader. After 5 seconds, there will be another to-do. And here is our to-do. We're going to do this by using Redux-thunk. So if you are interested in the crash course, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I will upload a video. And if you have any suggestion, just let me know. I would love to hear from you. And you can also reach out to me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook as thatonjohn, and check out my Kills Coding blog website. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. So stay safe and goodbye.